Yeah, hi. We are from svsembedded. The project title name is Smart Vehicle to Vehicle Communication System using Li-Fi technology. So in this project we are using power supply module, 5 volts power supply module, Arduino R3 board, 80 mega 328 controller IC board, and here we are using total 5 sensors. Fire sensor connected to the A0, gas sensor connected to the A1, and vibration sensor connected to the A2. Ultrasonic distance measurement module, obstacle detection connected to the A3, A4, trigger and echo, SOS emergency button connected to the A5, 16x2 LCD display connected with RS enabled D4, D5, D6, D7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and light emitting diode. Okay, so 3 LEDs we are through sending pulse width modulation technique, so connected to the 13th pin. Okay, so bunch of three bunch LEDs. Okay, transmitter in it. So coming to the hardware part, so here we are using 0 to 9 volts adapter power source. So bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, 1 LED, 5 volts power supply module, Arduino R3 board, 80 mega 328 controller IC board. Okay, and here sensors are, first one fire sensor, okay, and a gas sensor, vibration sensor, ultrasonic obstacle detection, and SOS switch button, emergency button, 16x2 LCD display, and IR LEDs. Okay, so light emitting diode. Okay, 3 LEDs. Okay, and here is the receiver module, same title name, Arduino R3 80 mega 328 controller IC board, power supply board, solar panel, photovoltaic cell, the solar panel connected to the A0, analog data, 16x2 LCD display connected with RS enabled D4, D5, D6, D7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, APR 33A3 voice recorded and playback, 8 ohm speaker. Those are connected with the fire alert, gas alert, vibration sensor, accident alert, ultrasonic obstacle detection, and SOS alert. Like five sensors, 5 alerts. So here is the solar panel. Okay, Arduino R3 80 mega 328 controller IC board, power supply board, bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, 1 LED, 5 volts power supply module, APR 33A3 voice recorded and playback IC, 8 ohm speaker, 16x2 LCD display. And this is our total hardware kit, receiver kit and the transmitter kit. Okay, so now we connected straight light transmit to photodiode. Okay, so transmitter and the receiver. Okay, now I am starting the power supply. Okay, now LCD is vehicle to vehicle communication system. Okay, Wi-Fi alert. Okay, F for fire sensor, G for gas, vibration, ultrasonic distance measurement, safe. Okay, SOS button. So now here we are going for the receiver module, vehicle to vehicle communication Li-Fi technology, Li-Fi RX alert. Okay, so it will come normal. Okay, nothing should be happen, it will send normal. Okay, so photodiode, solar panel, okay, receiver, and connected to the Arduino receiver. Okay, transmitter module as well as receiver module. Now I am going for the SOS alert, SOS alert. Okay, emergency alert, emergency alert. Okay, it will continuously, it will check for the 5 to 10 counts whether data is sending. Okay, you can observe it. Okay, so light is transmitting. Okay, it is receiving the data and it is sending the data. Okay, then it will come normal. Normal means nothing should be happen. Vibration. Okay, vibration 250 above, vibration alert, vibration alert, accident alert. Okay, now I am going for the gas sensor. Okay, gas sensor, gas I am giving this alert. Okay, so now I am giving the gas, it will tell gas alert. Okay, gas alert. Okay, obstacle, Okay, 20 centimeter below. Okay, obstacle alert. Obstacle alert. Okay, obstacle alert. Now I am giving the fire. Okay, fire alert. Obstacle detected. Okay, normal. Okay, gas alert. Okay, gas alert. Okay, gas alert. Okay, so transmitter module and the receiver module. Okay, fire. Okay, fire alert. Okay, fire alert. Fire alert. Fire alert. There are 5 sensors, 5 voice alerts. Okay, every time it will send the data. You can observe it. Okay, light is transmitting. Okay, it will see alert. Okay, then it will come normal. Normal will stop. Okay, vibration alert. Vibration alert. Vibration alert. Okay, normal. Okay, now I am going for the gas. Gas alert. Okay, okay, so here fire sensor, gas sensor, vibration, distance. Okay, safe, SOS button, emergency alert, and voice. Okay, we will go for the fire. Okay, obstacle alert. Okay, fire alert. So in between, ultrasonic distance measurement module, fire sensor, power supply board, 16x2 LCD display, gas sensor, and SOS switch button, and accident alert, gas alert, and it is light transmitting the data. Okay, here the receiving the data. Okay, now, okay, like that. Okay, here is the receiver module, Arduino board, and 16x2 LCD also. Okay, block diagram, receiver module, and the transmitter module block diagram. Okay, now it will continuously measure the obstacle. My phone is there now, it's like that, it is coming normal. Okay, now I will provide gas alert. Thank you.